Hello, children. How are you? Hope you all are very fine. Today we will learn another letter from our English book and how to write the letter. Okay, before we get started, our new letter, at first, let's sing the ABCD song with me. Okay, so let's start. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z. So you have to practice this ABCD song every day. Okay, now let's start our new letter. Okay, we will learn the letter I today. Okay, so you can see this is the capital letter I and this is the small letter I. I'm showing you it clearly. This is the capital letter I and this is the small letter I. Okay. And we know I for ice cream, I for igloo. Ice cream. We all love ice cream and ice cream is starting with the letter I. So we can say I for ice cream and I for igloo also. Okay. Igloo is a kind of house, snow house. Okay. So we can say I for ice cream and I for igloo also. Now let's read the book. Okay. Here we have a small rhyme. So let's read with me. Isabella the iguana had a good dream. She lived in an igloo eating an ice cream. Isabella the iguana had a good dream. She lived in an igloo eating an ice cream. Okay, this is a beautiful rhyme and you have to learn. Okay, now look at the pictures. What is this? We have already learned that it is an igloo. Okay, snow house. And what is this? This is iguana. Iguana is a kind of lizard, means girgiti. Okay, and what he is eating? He is eating an ice cream. We all know ice cream and we all love to eat ice cream. Okay, so these three words, iguana, ice cream and igloo, are starting with the letter I. So we can say I for igloo, I for ice cream and I for iguana. Okay, now you have to learn this word starting with the letter I. Now come to the next page. Page number 34. Page number 34. Here you can see. So here read aloud along with your teacher. Read aloud along with your teacher. At first tell me, what is this? We have already learned and we all love this thing. This is an ice cream. Ice cream is starting with the letter I. So we can say I for ice cream. And what is this? These are insects. Okay, insects. It is also starting with the letter I. So we can also say I for insects. Okay. And what is this? This is a ink pot. This ink pot is also starting with the letter I. You can see now. So here also we can say I for ink pot. And what is this? This is an ice cube. This is an ice cube. This ice cube is also starting with the letter I. So here also we can say I for ice cube, I for ice cream, I for insects, I for ink pot, I for ice cube. So you have to learn these words starting with the letter I. Okay. And now come to the next page. Here is an activity and this page will be your homework. So write HW on this page. Okay. Here you have to trace the pictures, color those whose names start with the letter I. We have already did this type of activity in our previous classes. So it is very easy. At first you have to trace all the pictures. Okay, that means you have to join all the dots and make the picture more clearer. Okay, then you have to color those whose name starts with the letter I. At first, what is this? This is an ice cream. This is an ice cream. And ice cream is starting with the letter I. Already we have learned. So you have to color this. Okay. And what is this? This is a frog. Frog. Frog is not starting with the letter I. So we don't need to color this. Okay. And what is this? This is an infant. This is an infant. An infant is starting with the letter I. So you have to color this. Okay. And here, what is this? This is an iron. This is an iron. So iron is starting with the letter I. So you have to color this. Okay. And what is this? This is a zebra. This is a zebra. Zebra is not starting with the letter I. So we don't need to color this. Here just you have to color this ice cream, infant and iron. These three things only. Okay. So you have to complete it at home using your color crayons. Okay. So this is your homework and you have to complete it. Okay. And now we will learn how to write the letter I. Okay. So let's start writing the letter I. Okay. At first, go to the top. Okay, a red line. Then draw a standing line from first line to third line like this. First line to third line, one standing line. Then you have to make two sleeping lines. Okay, two sleeping lines. Okay, one at the top like this and another at the bottom like this. Okay, standing line, then two sleeping lines, one at the top and another at the bottom. So what it becomes now? It becomes the letter I, and writing letter I is also very easy. Okay, let's do it again. One standing line from first line to third line, then two sleeping lines, one at the top like this and another at the bottom like this. Small sleeping lines. Okay, let's do it again. Standing line from first line to third line, draw two sleeping lines, one at the top, another at the bottom like this. What it becomes now? It becomes the letter I, and writing I is very easy. And in this way you have to complete it. Okay. So this is your homework also and you have to complete it. Okay. Bye bye.